Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will read the essay My Favorite Fruit, Mango. Let's start. My favorite fruit is mango. Mango is our national fruit. Mango is king of all fruits. Mangoes come in summer season. It is very sweet in taste. Mango is green or yellow in color. Mango is used to make pickle, jam and chutney. There is huge variety of mangoes like Anwar Ratol, Langda and the Sehri. Mangoes are rich in vitamin A, C and D. I like to eat a lot of mangoes. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and for more videos subscribe my channel. Thank you.